Hello, welcome students. Let's continue our chapter 2, long and short. Let's solve this exercise on board. Now the question is that make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. So see this picture, this is a left arm and we have to make it a right arm. Suppose the length of this arm is 1 centimeter. So here we have to draw right arm 1 centimeter longer. So more longer than left arm. So 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So here we draw the length of the arm is 2 centimeter. So length of this right arm is a 2 centimeter. The second question is draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. Here we have to draw the cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. But first you have to measure the length of this cup. How can you measure it? So first you put the scale here. So this start from 0 centimeter and you have to measure till here. Suppose the length of this cup is 2.5 centimeter. Understood how to measure with this scale? So the length of this cup is 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw the 1 centimeter shorter. So the length of the cup should be 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter means 1 centimeter and 5 millimeter. That means you start from 0, put the scale here and 0 centimeter and draw till 1.5, 1 centimeter then 5 millimeter. So the length of the cup is 1.5 centimeter. And after taking the measurement you have to draw it. Understood? So length of the cup is 1.5 centimeter. The next question is draw a broom half as long as this broom. So first we have to measure the length of this broom. Suppose the length of this broom is 10 centimeter. So we have to draw it half. So 10 centimeter half is 5 centimeter. So first you have to take the measurement of 5 centimeter. Suppose this measurement is 5 centimeter. And afterward, after taking the measurement, you have to draw the broom. So the length of this broom is 5 centimeter, half of this broom. Understood, students? Now next one is draw another hair of double the length. Here the hair is given. We have to draw the length of this double hair. Suppose the length of this hair is 5 mm. Mm means 5 millimeter. So what is the double of 5 mm? 5 mm plus 5 mm. That means 10 mm. 10 mm means 1 centimeter. So we have to make the double of this length. That is 1 centimeter. Understood, students, how to solve it? Now the question is Jhumpa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jhumpa's height. How tall is Jhumpa? We have to write the answer in centimeter. Here the height of one of the tallest people is 272 centimeter. So this is the height, double the height of Jhumpa's. So that means the Jhumpa's height is half of the 272. So for finding the half height, we have to divide by 2. 272 divide by 2. So we get the height of Jhumpa. So 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 2 3s are, first we have to take down 7. Now 7 divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. Again we take down 2. So we get number 12. And 2 6s are 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So the Jhumpa's height is 136 centimeter. Half of the tallest people height. This example is given on textbook page number 50. Now our new topic is inter-school sports meet race. This is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. This flag is showing the finishing line, and Arundhati is nearest to this finishing line. The distance between the Arundhati and the flag is 6 meter. Now the next, behind her is Rihanna. Now Rihanna is running behind the Arundhati. Now Konkna and Uma are running behind Rihanna. The two girls which are running behind the Rihanna, the name of the two girls is Konkna and Uma. Look at this picture. See this picture. To answer the question below, choose from this distance. These are showing the distance between these girls. Now we will solve the questions. The question is that how far is Rihanna from Arundhati? Here we have to find the distance between Rihanna and Arundhati. So first we will see the distance is given between the finishing line and Arundhati, that is 6 meter, and that distance is between the Rihanna and Arundhati, that is almost half of the distance between the Arundhati and finishing line. That means that distance is half. The 6 meter half is 3 meter. So Rihanna and Arundhati distance between this 3 meter. So Rihanna is 3 meter far from Arundhati. Understood, students? Now the next question is, how far ahead is Rihanna from Konkna and Uma? Here we have to find the distance between Rihanna to Konkna and Uma. See the distance here and see the distance of Arundhati to finishing line. That almost same. That means that also the 6 meter. So Rihanna is 6 meter ahead of Konkna and Uma. Understood? So now next question is, how far Konkna and Uma from the finishing line? Here we have to find the total distance from Konkna and Uma to finishing line. We already find the distance between all the girls. Now we have to just do the additions. So 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 6 meter. That means the total distance is 15 meter from Konkna Uma to finishing line. Understood, students? All these questions? Now we move forward the next line. Have you heard about a 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? You remember that 1000 meters make a 1 kilometer and 500 meters make a half kilometer. We already learned in the starting of video, 1000 meters will make a 1 kilometers. Now, so you can say in a 1500 meter race, people run dash kilometer. 1500 means 1000 meter plus 500 meter will make 1500 meter. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer and 500 meter. So we can write 1.5 kilometer. Understood? Now next one is, in a 3000 meters race, people run dash kilometer. So you already know the basic units. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 3000 meter means 3 kilometer. Understood, students? Students, I request you all to solve this exercise in your textbook. Thank you.